Meteorologist Alan Holt is standing by with a look at our Thursday forecast. I'm trying to go back.
Hey Barbie, yeah, it's going to be similar to yesterday, so maybe you could get away with that, thinking that today is yesterday with respect to the weather. 68 degrees right now, winds are calm, and the dew point's in check in the mid-60s, so it feels nice outside. Lots of us in the 60s, only coastal spots in the low 70s this morning. There's that north wind coming in, and that's helping to keep the humidity levels low. It's pretty clear this morning, but we will have some clouds speckling the sky. There's a big old sheet of clouds in eastern Texas off the backside of Beta, which is now moving into Mississippi. It's going to be a rain-producing and even tornado threat for Alabama today with that feature moving in that direction. You see all the dry air, though, over Texas. Beta continues to move to the north and east, and it's going to be over the mid-Atlantic states heading into Saturday. So it'll get into the Atlantic, and we're going to stay very quiet right on through the weekend. I'm kind of looking long range into next week. There's going to be a dipping in the jet stream, and this dip may try to send a weak cold front into the area by the middle of next week. And this may be a backdoor cold front, meaning that it comes in from the northeast. So backdoor fronts typically here mean that they're not very strong, and the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook does paint cooler than normal values for a lot of the eastern half of the country, but the bulk of that cooler air looks to stay east of us. I don't think we really see a huge drop in temperature if and when that front can make it here, but that wouldn't be until next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time frame. The only thing in the tropics we're watching is what's left of Beta. Everywhere else is quiet, although the Western Caribbean is going to, I think, be fertile for tropical development into early October. This is a spot that typically sees some development in the month of October. The waters are still very warm here. It's been very inactive over the last few weeks in the Western Caribbean, but the thing about systems that develop there, they tend to track north or northeast, and they don't really come in our direction when we get into October with respect to the tropics. So we'll keep our eyes on that, but it looks like we're in a little bit of a lull with respect to tropical activity here. 89 degrees, mainly sunny with humidity levels in check here today. A northeast wind at 6 to 12 miles per hour. As we move into tonight, it'll be in the upper 60s, low 70s, mainly clear and quiet with a calm and variable wind. Muggy meter's going to show this humidity level in check, and then an increase in humidity for the weekend with temperatures in the low 90s under sunny to partly cloudy skies. We've got the low 90s in the forecast through Monday and Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, pending on that front, whether it comes or not, may see a little drop in temperature, but I don't see that front as being a strong one for the coastal bend.